Hello, hello, hello. Happy Monday pala. So now, same as usual, I'm down. I'm waiting. The school bus of Sisi is here already. Okay. Happy Pista naman. Merry Christmas on. It's coming. It's already 23. Tomorrow 24, 25. Yeah, Merry Christmas. Now I'm just waiting to Sisi. Okay? It's cold. Merry Christmas to every one of us. O, ewan ko kanino kayang bag yan na iwan. Asa na yun? Not yet. Ito talagang rose na to. Until now, there is no flowers. I don't know why. Ayan. Ganun pa rin. Oh, ang daming ano ba yun? Daming bus sa school ni Sisi Murag. Yung iba yata KG grade 1, grade 2, grade 3 elementary kumbaga. Yung sa kay Sisi nursery. Kay KG1 man o KG2. Okay. Yeah. Simply, so ayan, ganun pa rin, walang nagbabago dito. Maganda pa rin ang lugar, tahimik. Ayun yung building namin. Hindi na tumawag siguro si Amo, tumawag na si Amo, hindi na makontak ko because I'm here already down. I see the yellow bus, so to make it sure, or I don't know if Madam she is up na. I don't think so. And after that one, si Sisi mag-react na naman kasi wala yung mama niya. Busy pa yata, or I don't think so if she up already. Basta me to make sure I go down na. Ayan yung mga bulaklak talaga, hindi siya lumalaki. Ewan ko, ba't hindi to lumalaki? Parang ganito lang siguro, ano? Ayan, no? Ito siya, oh. O tinatanim siguro siyang ganyan. Okay, ewan ko. Maybe. Sabay pang ganun, maybe. It's very busy. Busy ang street kasi nga school bus. And time for finish the school for the elementary. Look, oh. Kaya ganun. At saka iwan ko, baka tumawag siguro si Amo, hindi makakontak kasi naka-video ako. Aray ko. Building. Ito yung isang school bus. O, ayan o, yung isang school bus. So, ayan o, see? The same school yan, sa school ni Sisi. Ayan o. Ayan sila. Ewan ko, parang ano rin yata yan. Another grade elementary. Mainit siya, pero malamig. Andyan yung mga ano. Ayan no, hair to grow. Ayan to, gaya sa school ni Sisi. Ay, madam. O, ayan na yung school bus ni Sisi. Ayan na yata yung school bus ni Sisi. Ayan na. Ayan na yung school bus ni Sisi. Ay, Amo. Si Sangri na naman yan. Hello, Sisi. Hello, Miss. It's okay, busy si Mami. Okay? Busy si Mami. Ilan? Doon na yun.
Today we're going to hair.
Yes, later. Mag-color si Grace. You want to with Ellen? Come here. Pull down ka dyan. Sisi, come here, Ellen. Not yet pa. Maybe it's busy. I don't know. Mako pa. Mako. Oh, ayan, maybe that one is the brother or no? No, it's not. I think no delivery yan. I think no. Ha? No. Tali silin dali go nandiyan siya mo. Dali go there. Tali come here kasi. Come here. Ayan yung school bus. Ayan yung school bus ni Sisi. They're waiting to Ellen. It's not yet. I don't know. Mako sa may telepon, hati namin po. Dali na, pibaad pa. Sawi, ano na lang? Hindi, sawi Rizala. Sawi Rizala na lang. Guli, ano? Ana, bring up. Oh, alin pala si Sir. Yela na, it's okay, ade. Taali na yela, guli. Bye-bye.